Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a table or invoice in Excel using a macro and keyboard shortcut. Let's get started. As you can see here, I have this invoice. So next time, if I'd like to create the same invoice, I need just to press Ctrl M. As you can see, let's create another sheet. So when I press Ctrl M, the shortcut, automatically I have the invoice created with the macro. All right. So how to do like this in Excel? Okay, let's create another sheet. First of all, we need to enable the developer tab in Excel. Right click anywhere here, customer variable, then check developer tab, then OK. As you can see here, now here I have developer tab. All right. Now click on developer tab and record macro. So here, name your macro, for example, create an invoice. You can give it a shortcut, for example, Ctrl Z to run the macro with the shortcut key. All right, then OK. Now let's create the invoice. Okay, for example, I have ref, then description, unit price, then quantity, then total. All right, let's adjust this. Description, unit price. Okay, create a table like this, then on tab choose all borders like this, bold, center all. Okay, let's add another thing here. Here's the total. Okay, $16, $14. Select this and bold 18. Choose a color for the header. For example, this one. Also, okay. All right. Choose all the cells, merge. Give it a color. Right click and type invoice. Okay. Choose the border, outside border. All right. For unit price, let's choose a currency. Choose all the cells and go to currency and English, United States currency. The same for total. Choose English currency, United States. All right. Then do the same for to calculate total. First of all, to calculate the total, equal sign the unit price multiply the quantity, then enter. As you can see, let's apply the formula. All right, then let's calculate the total. Okay, select all this, then press Alt equal. As you can see here, all right, what else? Okay, now everything is okay. Okay, let's go to view, grad line. We don't need the grad line. All right. Now go back to developer tab to stop recording macro. All right. Now everything is okay. Now let's test our macro. Now let's create another sheet. So when I click the shortcut Ctrl G, as you can see here, automatically I have the invoice created. So let's enter some data, for example, HD for hard disk, for example, and hard disk, unit price $20, for example, for quantity 5, enter. Here is the total. The same way, cable, $5, quantity 7. So as you can see here, all is automatic. So, and that's it. You successfully created a table or invoice in Excel using a macro and keyboard shortcut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.